What are antibodies? Antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, Ig, are specialized proteins produced by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign substances, such as bacteria, viruses, and toxins. They are a key component of the adaptive immune response and play a crucial role in defending the body against infections. How antibodies work. 1. Recognition. Antibodies recognize and bind to specific molecules on the surface of pathogens called antigens. Each antibody is highly specific to one type of antigen. 2. Neutralization. By binding to antigens, antibodies can block pathogens from infecting cells. 3. Tagging. Antibodies tag pathogens for destruction by other immune cells, like macrophages or natural killer cells. 4. Activation of complement system. Antibodies can trigger a series of immune reactions that help destroy pathogens. Types of antibodies. There are 5 main classes of antibodies, each with specific roles. 1. IgG, the most abundant antibody in the blood and extracellular fluid. Provides long-term immunity after infection or vaccination. Can cross the placenta to protect a fetus. 2. IgA. Found in mucosal areas like the respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts, as well as in saliva, tears, and breast milk. Protects against infections at mucosal surfaces. 3. IgM, the first antibody produced during an initial immune response. Found in the blood and lymphatic fluid. Effective at forming antigen-antibody complexes. 4. IgE, involved in allergic reactions and responses to parasitic infections. Triggers the release of histamine and other chemicals from immune cells. 5. IgD, plays a role in initiating B-cell activation. Found in small amounts in the blood. Where are antibodies produced? B cells, a type of white blood cell, produce antibodies. Once a B cell encounters an antigen, it differentiates into a plasma cell, which secretes large amounts of antibodies. Roles of antibodies. 1. Infection defense, neutralize viruses and bacteria. Prevent pathogens from spreading in the body. 2. Vaccination. Vaccines stimulate the production of antibodies against specific pathogens, providing immunity. 3. Immune regulation. Help maintain balance in the immune system. 4. Diagnostics and treatment. Used in blood tests to detect infections. Monoclonal antibodies, lab-produced antibodies, are used in therapies for diseases like cancer, autoimmune conditions, and COVID-19. Disorders involving antibodies. 1. Autoimmune diseases. The immune system mistakenly produces antibodies against the body's own tissues, for example, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus. 2. Allergies. Excessive IgE production leads to allergic reactions. 3. Immunodeficiency. Lack of sufficient antibodies weakens the immune system, making infections more likely. Antibodies are a cornerstone of the immune system, working in concert with other components to keep the body protected from harm. They're also critical tools in modern medicine for diagnostics and treatment.